Hello everyone and magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Today is May 19, so this is our Wednesday edition ng StockWentuhan where kung ano-ano mga pag-uusapan ulit natin ngayong araw na to. Pero ayun, hello sa inyo and good evening. Nakakita na ako ng mga joiners natin sa live na ito ngayon. As early as, wow, alas 7 pa lang, meron na. Thank you so much sa inyong pagtutok. So, let's say, Kuya Jay, magandang gabi. Sana nga, no, tuloy-tuloy na yung green. Medyo maganda yung happening kanina. Medyo exciting, pero at the same time, for some, concerning pa rin, di ba? But overall naman, maganda naman yung naging takbo ng market kanina. So, I hope nga, no, na magtuloy-tuloy. Hello, Lori. Good evening. LJ. First question daw, baka makalimutan, saan po mas positive bet sa dalawa? Green candle but red price action or red candle but green price action? Kasi sa PSEI, red candle siya but green ang price action. Teka ha. Hindi ko yata na-gets tong part na to. What do you mean by red candle siya pero green ang price action? Alin yung green? Silipin ko nga. Just to be sure, no? Okay. So, green naman siya kanina. Well, although maliit lang naman, no? Yeah. Medyo, sorry LJ, hindi ko masyado na-gets. If you can clarify kung nanonood ka ngayon para mas malinaw siya. Hello Jason, good evening. Jano, magandang gabi. Si James na goodbye crypto muna. I know medyo challenging yung crypto ngayon dahil nagbabaan lahat, di ba? Pero ganoon talaga. That is market cycle, di ba? Hello selected PSE stocks like si Aling Poring, Dito, JFC, and pati si Meg. We'll watch the replay later on. Sure, no problem. Hello Joey, good evening. Angelo, Vian, good evening. Gon, Romel, Lance, Alfred, magandang gabi rin sa'yo. JP, Jin, Gal pala, sorry. Sabi ni Kuya Jay, baka daw magbalikan na sa crypto yung mga nasa PSE. Baka magbalikan na ang mga nasa crypto papunta sa PSE. We'll see how it goes, di ba? Hello Lenore, good evening. Hello Val na walang malay. Hello sa iyo and magandang gabi. So, wait lang ha. Saan na yun? Okay, sino ba na dito? Lowell, Lian, Glenda. Okay Glenda. Okay, so green po yung price action, but then yung candle niya ay red. Okay, I think I know what you mean, LJ, no? Ito ba yun yung nasa Investa? Okay, kasi sa Investa, ganito. Ako kasi I set it like this, no? Saan ba yun? Ayan. Color bars is based on, tama ba? Previous days close. Pagka in-uncheck ko to, ayun, okay. I think nakaganito ka, LJ, no? Naka-uncheck ito. Ako kasi usually I check that one. No? Kasi, bakit? Kasi kung titingnan natin, no, yung market naman talaga natin is nasa green. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas siya from the previous. Diba? So, yung setting lang kasi ni Investa is naka-uncheck yung part na yon, yung pinakita ko kanina. No? Pero sa akin kasi, I just want to see this one here para kahit pa paano mag-reflect na yung tama. 'Di ba? So, ayan. I hope na explain ko siya na maayos. Yan, okay. Sige, ganito, no? It's already 8:10, so umpisa na natin para mas makarami tayo. And then mamaya, balikan ko na lang ulit yung comment section. No? Ayan. Okay. So, teka ha. Guys, paano naman ako? Technical check lang ulit tayo. Kung malinaw ang lahat, pa-press naman ako number 6. Number 6, kung malinaw po ang lahat para makapag simula tayo ng maayos. Yan. Yun, maraming salamat. Ayos, okay. Sige, so simulan ko na ngayon. Ayan. So, hello again. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Today is May 19. This is the Wednesday edition ng ating StockWentuhan. No? So, doon sa mga bago pa lang, para at least may idea kayo, this is a regular show here in StockSilog where we live stream, no? Both sa Facebook at sa YouTube every MWF at around 8 p.m. Dito pinag-uusapan natin yung mga special topics, Q&A, and of course, stock review later on. Diba? So, kung baguhan ka man or experienced na trader, you'll definitely learn something here. Remember, everything we talk about are not recommendations, but for research purposes only. Ikaw pa rin ang pipindot ng buy or sell button, so please, think before you click. Excuse me. If you find this session helpful, please follow our social media accounts, especially sa YouTube kasi may ipopost ko yung mga timestamp ng bawat topic questions and stock codes mapag-uusapan natin today. And kung okay lang, if you can also share the stream, para mas marami tayong matulungan. Okay? Kasi when you subscribe and share the stream, it actually helps us to continue to deliver the videos and content for free. Okay? So, having said all that, let me post our question of the day. Okay? So, eto pinost ko na rin siya kanina, no? Pero just in case na hindi nyo siya inabot or at least kung hindi nyo man nabasa or you have other thoughts, then I'd like to know. Okay? So, syempre, we are in a market na very susceptible talaga sa mga iba't ibang influences. Diba? And lalo na ngayong nasa social media tayo. So, I am interested to know, how do you handle emotion sa trading? Okay? How do you handle yung mga emotions sa trading? Maybe you can specify kung anong mga klaseng emotions yon and kung na-handle nyo na ba siyang maayos, kung na-manage na ba siya or hindi pa. No? I'd like to know yung mga thoughts nyo about it. Comment nyo lang, syempre QOTD, tapos yung answer niyo para at least alam ko na ito yung topic na nagre-respond kayo. Okay? So, having said that, let me go back muna sa reviewin muna natin yung market natin kaninang hapon. So, ba ako? Ay. Bakit hindi siya show up? Ayan, okay. Yan. So, kanina, no, our market is quite interesting dahil pababa yung niya kanina. Pababa yung trend niya, no? But then, as usual, at the very last minute, biglang sumipa yung presyo. Okay? So, as a result, nakita natin, PSEI was up by 0.97 points. So, almost flat ito. Nag-close ng 6,245 with a value turnover ng 4.63 billion. So, we went back to under 5 billion. The advancers are leading the pack with 115 while 82 ang nag-decline, 47 naman ang unchanged. Okay? And as usual, we are net foreign sell with about almost 500 million na foreign sell. Okay? On the stat sheet, ito medyo magandang topic ito, no. Worst loser muna ako para pangunahan lang natin. So, for worst losers natin, hindi naman ganun karami or ka-popular. It is led by OPM, down ito ng 8%, followed by FPI, UPM, CAB, PVT, Ever, and the rest. Okay? While on the top gainers, ito, medyo interesting itong part na to, no? Kasi our top gainers for today are, number 1 is BMM, hindi ko kilala to. Kita naman natin, 5 lang yung trades, no? Pero yung popular one is, of course, Dito. So, Dito closed at about 9.84 per share kanina. Up ito ng 28.80. Okay? Siguro hindi ko na kailangan i-mention pa, pero just for the sake ng mga hindi nakaantabay dun sa mga news na nangyayari, no? One of the reason why lumipad ng gusto itong si Dito, why lumipad siya ng around 28% ay dahil sa approval noong 25-year na franchise renewal nito. Okay? If we recall, so si Dito, ang franchise kasi ng Dito was owned by ISM back then, no? So 25 years, actually hindi pa matatapos to. The franchise is supposed to expire 2023 pa yata, if I'm not mistaken, ha. 2023 pa. So kumbaga may oras pa, no? Pero syempre, for a lot of companies naman, they wanted to reapply na agad the franchise para hindi maabot nung expiry date. Katulad ng nangyari sa ABS-CBN. Okay? Although sinabit naman talaga nila yon ng ahead of time, yun nga lang marami naging problema, di ba? So ayun. Now, good thing is, of course, na approve na yung franchise ni Dito. So, ayun, as a result, nakita natin, Dito was up by 28%. Yan. So, ito na siya ngayon. Diba? So, ayun, congrats doon sa mga merong hawak ng Dito, up ng 28%. Finally, no, nakabalik na siya above the 9 peso line. I really thought na, sabi ko, baka umabot pa ng 7 pesos. No? Pero kung titingnan naman natin, tanggalin ko na to ha. Kung titingnan naman natin, halos humalik na siya dun sa 7 pesos kahapon. Di ba? Ayan o. Yung, kasi I still consider those long wicks as part of the trade. Di ba? So, that means, at least, at the very least, the 7 peso mark or the 7 peso support is still holding the stock very well. No? And yung nakita nating lumipad na to, this is now became a confirmation, no, na nagkaroon na ng bounce dito ang weird, dito sa stock na to. Okay? However, syempre hindi pa naman, kumbaga, although I consider this as a confirmation of the bounce, no, for me, kailangan ko pa makakita ng another series of candles, no, to prove. Kasi nga masyadong malaki, kasi ito yung problema ko kapag merong isang malaking rally sa isang candle or sa isang stock, no. Medyo mahirap siyang matansya kung is it really, kumbaga, confirm na ba talaga yung bounce doon sa part na yon, or one off rally lang siya, no. Kasi to be honest, my ideal scenario for any stock, for example kay Dito, is a series of candle katulad ng ganito, no. So green candle na ganyan, followed by another green candle, yung kumbaga gradual, no, gradual yung pag-angat. That way mas solid etong support na to. Kaso kung bibigyan ka naman nitong isang long candle, then doon siya magkakaroon ng parang hindi pa complication, no, pero for me it's another form of a question if this particular rally is sustainable. Yan. So yan, that's my take on Dito, no, in particular. Now let me go back. Ano ba? Apart from Dito, we have seen si MHC ARA pa, medyo nakabalik na, no, at 962, ABA 957. So ayun, medyo may magagandang mga movement. And even si Metromart tuloy, si Merrimart, no, up ulit siya ngayon ng 6.33%. So yun, medyo maganda yung naging takbo ng mga ibang stocks na na-mention natin. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy sila. Ayan. Now, having said all that, let me go back sa ating question of the day sa comment section, and I'll see kung may mga specific question about this one, kasi kung wala, then I'll proceed doon sa question of the day natin. Okay? So, let me check. Saan ba ako nag-stop kanina? Ayan, okay. So, parang na-disconnect ako sa saglitan, no? Sige. Okay, now, going back here, may mga question ba na specific? Wala naman yata, ano? Ayan, puro more on QOTD na right now. Ayan. Okay, sige. So, sige. Kung wala naman, I'll post once again. This is our question of the day dun sa mga kaka-tune in pa lang and hindi pa nakaabot. Ayan. So again, how do you handle emotion sa trading? Kasi I know na marami ang especially sa mga newbies, no, na medyo nahihirapan pa on this side of things. Okay? So gusto ko lang malaman yung mga thoughts ninyo on this para at least especially sa mga nakikinig na mga silent listeners natin may be able to get something, no? May matutunan sila. Hindi lang galing sa akin, no, but galing sa lahat. Ayan. Having said that, let me check kung asan yung mga first QOTD natin. Ayan. Sabi ni Val, QOTD, kaba po at nakakainit minsan ng ulo. Grabe naman. Init talaga ng ulo. No? Pero yeah, I get that. Especially kapag yung trade, akala mo lilipad. At least based on your setup, okay na siya, ripe na siya for picking. Tapos biglang mag-disagree sa'yo yung stock. Instead na lumipad, bumagsak lalo, di ba? Kakainit talaga ng ulo yun. Pero yeah, I get that. Sabi ni Maris, manageable na po compared 10 years ago. No to chismis, basta focus lang sa trading plans. Yeah, I do like this one. No, kasi very important yung trading plans pagdating sa emotion, which I'll be mentioning din later on. Pero yeah, I definitely agree with this. Si JP naman, ang totoo sir, bagsak ako dyan. Hindi ko ma-handle ang emotion ko. More and many more actual trading practice at aral-aral pa talaga. Yeah. I definitely agree with this one. No? Kailangan talaga aral. Kasi sa trading, hindi naman ito basta-basta lang na tipong may gagawin ka lang na action. Minsan, kailangan din natin pag-isipan ng gusto. Diba? And also, trading is a type of skill. Okay? Skill ito. Ibig sabihin, gagaling ka kung halimbawa pinapractice mo siya. Okay? Sino ba? Nakarito. Lawrence, sabi ni Lawrence, learning from mistakes. Eventually, you'll become desensitized or numb. Some call it being comfortable with feeling uncomfortable. But having a plan really helps since discipline will manage those emotions. Yeah, I definitely agree. No, especially yung last part, no, na discipline will help to manage yung mga emotions. Okay. Oo nga. Hindi, kasalanan ko 'yon kasi madalas kasi kapag after ng live, medyo nagpapahinga muna ako. Kadalasan nakakatulog ako. Kaya hindi ko na siya nagagawa. So, yeah, pasensya na. Pero yeah, I'll make sure na at least on this one particularly lalagyan natin siya ng timestamp. Ayan. LJ, so sabi niya ang hirap naman ng tanong. Pero tama daw si JP, no. Need talaga ng aral, lalong-lalo na sa mga baguhan. Okay, no problem. So, ayun. Sabi, no sleep. Talagang walang tulugan, no, di ba? Ko-close ko na lang po yung chart if nagbuhusan na para hindi ko makita mga mistakes ko. Dead inside. Pero remember, sometimes we really have to face kung ano yung nangyayari, no? Kumbaga we have to go back dun sa reality natin na there are some times na magkakaroon talaga ng buhusan. Hindi pwedeng wala 'di ba? Kahit gaano nyo papali pa rin yung isang stock, sooner or later magkakaroon ng buhusan 'yan, no? Ang dami na ng mga examples ng ganyan. One of those, nakita natin yung mga nangyari kay ACEN, kay kay Dito, kay BSC. Ngayon, we are also seeing that on cryptos, 'di ba? So talagang the market has its own cycle, no? Hindi lang lagi yung paangat. We also have to be prepared kapag merong may mga take profits katulad ng mga nangyayari sa panahon ngayon. Yan. Okay, si Romel naman nagbabawa Mababawasan na din ang emotions after experiencing several huge losses. Masasanay na din. Yeah. Actually, those kind of setbacks, yun yung isa sa mga makakatulong, no, on how you can become a more mature trader. Okay? So, it will really help. Especially the more experience that you have, mas malaki yung chance mo na mag-improve, no? Ang mali kasi ng ibang mga newbies is that they focus first on profit, no? Up to the extent na nung sinwerte sila na pumasok at the bull run, they thought they already know everything. Tapos nung nabigyan sila nung binalikan sila ng market for for either a correction or a bear market, nagulat na lang yung mga newbies kasi teka, I thought I know everything na, bakit biglang ganito? And now they are at lost kung saan ba talaga, kung anong gagawin na afterwards. 'Di ba? So, may ganun talaga. Hindi natin maiwasan 'yon. Julius, pagbagsak po ang market, dati medyo sleepless. But now, pagbagsak ang market, tulog na muna. Mas mataas na po kasi confidence sa mga stocks ko. Uy, nice. That's really good, no? Mas mataas na yung confidence sa stocks right now. Okay, ano ba? Si Ravel, time make you stronger. The longer you've been in the market, the lesser you'll be affected with fluctuations and drops. Always follow your plan. I definitely agree with this one. Yes. Talagang experience, no, ang kailangan. For Lenore, tiyaga lang. Think positive kasi wala naman talagang magagawa eh. Like yung sa GMA 7, nung bumaba sa 7 peso level, after dividend X date, di ko nabenta. Now bumalik na sa 9 peso level, kaya okay na tapos may dividend pa. 'Di ba? So, ayun, maganda 'yun, no? At least for Lenore, na identify niya na yung mga opportunities, 'di ba? Na yung GMA 7 pwede bumalik dun sa dati niyang presyo, plus at the same time yung malaking dividend yield. So, kumbaga nakadalawa siya doon sa stock na 'yon. Okay, uy, mahaba na pala. Sige, try kong bilisan ha. Nasanay na sa talo sa online sabong. Pero masakit pa rin ng turo pag market, lalo na kung baguang ka pa at wala masyadong alam. Yes. Hello, Airglow. Good evening. Connie, kapag loss, kinakabahan. Kapag nag-cut loss, nalulungkot. Logout na lang muna tapos magkakape at nood ng Netflix. Oh, nice. At least, 'di ba? Staying away from the dreadful ang tawag doon, feeling sa market, no. That's good. Si Jano naman dati very impulsive. Now na-handle na. A lot of comparison before trading. Natuto ni mag-cut loss. Yes. Yes, please. Amen to that. Ganun talaga, no? We have to, di ba? Si Jason naman, just relax and sip coffee. Stick to your plan. Yes. Simple lang, di ba? Pero, yeah. Simple pero rock. Di ba? Sabi ni David, ako yung nagtanong when to salo sa dito. I supposed to buy before 7 pesos. Yun lang, wala akong extra BP. Okay. That's totally fine, no? Ganun talaga kasi again, walang nakakaalam kung kailan lilipad yung yung presyo, 'di ba? Yung price ng isang stock. 'Di ba? So, okay lang 'yan. David, siguro na lang, what my suggestion is, what you can do is try to understand what happened. 'Di ba? Yun nga, as I have mentioned kanina, yung nangyari kay dito, that is brought by the approval noong 25-year franchise. Okay? So, because of that information, now you know na kapag may ganong klase ng news, there is a good chance na pwedeng lumipad yung presyo ng stock na yon. Kasi that is a very favorable news. Okay? So, kumbaga, take the lesson from it, and then if you have your journal, if you have your cheat sheet, write it down para at least next time na may mabalitaan ka na may franchise renewal na mag-expire or nasa review phase, pwede mo na siyang abangan. Di ba? So, ayun. Kasi there is no point in in thinking sana ginawa ko to, sana ganyan, sana ganon. It's already past eh. 'Di ba? So, yun lang. Just take that lesson and prepare for the future. Ganun na lang 'yan. Sabi ni Dennis, sunod lang sa trading plan para walang emotion. Okay. Wow. Sabi ni Gon, ako wala lang kasi mid to long term naman siya na trader. Di ko ma-handle yung trades ko ng maayos. Kaya buy na lang ng buy. Lalo na pag bear market. Lagi akong napo-FOMO. Okay. Actually, that's one one tricks to to manage FOMO. That is to adjust your time frame. No? So for Gon, instead of he understands na merong na nafo-FOMO siya sa mga news, which is everyone naman may ganun, 'di ba? So ang ginawa na lang niya, since hindi naman niya kayang itanggalin yon totally, then he make an adjustments, 'di ba? And nagkaroon siya ng adjustment on the time frame ng ginagawa niyang trade. So yeah, that's a good one. Si Albert naman, focus and relax, stick to your plan, and if results not in favor, look for outlet to get out of your system. Yeah. Minsan kahit ano lang itulog mo lang siya or labas ka lang, ikot ka lang saglit sa mall or something, bili ka ng pagkain, pagbalik mo, you will have a better mindset, no? Kung talagang matindi ang lagay ng market or ng position, then maybe wait for a day, itulog, 'di ba? Joy Boy, long term kaya pag pula, buy pa din, walang stress. Yep. Sabi ni Jin, handle confidently, always learning the process. Always a learning process. Yep, I definitely agree with that. Si JP naman, trade plan. trade plan. Bakit hindi ko ito? Ayun lang. Bakit, JP, saan ka nahihirapan ba on the trade plan? May specific bang may specific bang area where kailangan mo ng tulong? No? Kasi I believe that our community here is a mature one. Wala naman ako nakikita ng babash dito. So feel free to comment kung saan ka ba na nahihirapan, and I'm pretty sure yung mga kasama natin dito will be able to also advise kung paano mo siya ma-handle. Okay? Just as always, yung sinasabi ko nga lagi, everything na pinag-uusapan naman natin dito are kumaga part of the research. No? Hindi siya recommendation na kailangan gawin mo. Okay? So, ayan. Si Sofia naman, dead man na lang. Hindi na masyadong affected. Tumaas man or bumaba yung stocks na hawak ko. Nag-sell lang ako pag may gain ako. Pag loss, I just hold it. Okay. That's also another way to put it. Although yung mga ganyang klase, no, there's also that tendency na baka malunod yung stock na hawak mo. Di ba? Especially kung hindi ka nagka-cut loss. No? So, okay lang naman yun. Ingat lang. Okay, si Kryptonian Dude, good evening, just tune in. Okay, walang kaso yon. Hello and good evening sa'yo. Si Arya naman, just a simple, be emotionless. Pwede. No? Although, ito lang ako kasi naniniwala ako na you really cannot remove emotion from your trades. That's almost impossible. No? What you can do instead is to control it or to manage. Diba? Oo nga naman. Pag down market, log out muna tapos laro na lang ng ML. Yeah. Okay part of the coping mechanism. Si Jeremy, di naman ako affected masyado since every ups and downs is a lesson for me dahil newbie pa lang. Okay, no problem. Pero ito lang yung part na yun, Jeremy, medyo nahihirapan ako maniwala na hindi ka masyadong affected. Are you trading na ba or hindi pa? Or siguro ano ka lang, you're one of those na kumbaga positive thinker na okay lang kung down yung market, mag-loss, at least I learned something. Kasi may mga ganun eh, 'di ba? Na kumbaga everything pag gain o di yay, pagka hindi then lesson learned. So kumbaga parehas positive, walang negative. I just wonder, no? Sabi ni Ian Ray, ano kayang mga stock na may franchise renewal, good catalyst yon. TBGI lumipad din. Yes, TBGI lumipad din on a short term. To be honest, hindi ko rin alam, no, kung alin yung mga companies na merong renewal. So siguro watch out for those telcos. Ano ba mga telcos natin dito? At least yung may mga ganong klase ha. So TBGI dito, PLDT, Globe, Now, ECP, yung ECCall, media companies, yon meron din, GMA7, yon, mga yon. So, wala. Minsan talaga kailangan lang talaga i-research, no? Yan. Okay. Sige, it's already 8:36, no? Siguro yun lang muna. Pero ito, I'll share naman my take on this one. Tapos babalik ako sa comment section, ha. If you have some specific questions, I'd like to know. Okay? So, ito lang. This is, again, my opinion, my thought. Okay. I was reading through most of your comments dito, no? And one thing na medyo na napansin ko, na observe ko, no? Karamihan ng mga sinabi ninyo are true and correct. My observation is that marami doon sa mga nagsabi came or have experienced some sort of losses sa market, no? Na yun yung nagturo or yun yung nagbigay ng learning sa kanila para mag-improve, no? Para ma-develop and para matutunan yung market. Maybe hindi pa ganun ka-mature for some, but that's totally okay. Ang mahalaga dito is there is an improvement, no? Now, having said that, yun yung una kong magiging suggestion, no? Na don't be scared na magkaroon ng losses dahil at one point or another mangyayari yon. Hindi pwedeng mawala ang loss, no? Kasi hindi ka matututo kung hindi ka natatalo. Okay? Now, one of the things, I think that I have mentioned this one kanina, no? One of the things na napansin ko for newbies is that ang focus is laging nasa profit. 'Di ba? Laging nasa profit yung tipong kunwari lang uy, sabi ni ganito, lilipad yung ganito. Sige, pasok na ako. So, lumipad the next day. Happy na. The next day, lumipad ulit. Happy. Nung third day, biglang binuhusan yung stock. Ang nangyari, panic na. Nagpanic kasi hindi na alam kung anong gagawin. Sell na ba? Or hold? Kasi kung magsisell ako, paano kung nag-rebound naman siya the next day? So, napapaisip ka, di ba? Tapos, paano kung halimbawa, nag-hold ako, pero instead na mag-rebound, dumire-diretso pababa, di talo pa rin. Diba? Kasi sa atin, no, lahat ng part na yon, those are what we call the emotions on the market. And kaya ako nasabi rin kanina na hindi natin siya maiwasan kasi we are human beings. Ibig sabihin, psychology-wise, we are influenced by our environment eh. And dahil nasa trading tayo, hindi natin maiwasan na yung environment natin is also yung mga traders na madalas na nakakausap. Maybe kakilala talaga natin or sa social media lang. Diba? So at one point talaga meron emotions. Hindi mawawala yan. May hype kumbaga. Diba? Pero the good news is that you can manage those emotions. You can divert those emotions into something na pwede mong makontrol. Okay? Now, having said that, yung pinost ko kanina na trick, that has been working for me for the longest time. No? That's why I decided na i-post siya kanina kasi sabi ko naman, I'm pretty sure marami naman sa inyo still nangangapa pa, 'di ba? Sa market natin. And that's totally fine. Lahat naman tayo nagsimula sa zero, 'di ba? So ayun, again, para lang for the sake ng mga hindi nakakita nung post na 'yon. Kaya ko ba siyang i-ano? Teka ha. May post ko pa ba 'yon? Eto. So, I posted this one kanina. Ba't hindi siya lumalabas? Ulitin ko ha, teka lang. Nasa kabilang screen ako eh. Ayan. So, ito yung pinost ko kanina. Just for the sake ng mga hindi lang ng mga hindi pa nakabasa nito. Hindi ko siya ma-expand na. Anyways, sana nabasa nyo siya, no? Okay. Yan. Kasi whenever we talk about emotions, hindi natin maiiwasan magkaroon ng analysis paralysis. Ito yung situation wherein you have been really analyzing what is happening, anong gagawin mo, yung naguguluhan ka na kung ano ba talaga yung dapat na gawin. Dahil hindi nasunod yung original na plan mo. Okay? Yung part na yon, that is what we call the emotions, no? Na running for your trade. Now, kaya ba natin siyang tanggalin? The answer to that is hindi po. Hindi natin siya pwedeng tanggalin. Or hindi natin siya kayang tanggalin. Pero what we can do is manage. How we can manage it? By applying logic, no? Kasi whenever we are on pag nasa emotion phase tayo ng trading, doon na natin iniisip yung part na ay nagkaroon ako ng loss, ay nagkaroon ako ng gain, no? Where in fact, much better kung titingnan natin lahat ng bagay na ginagawa natin as part of a logic. How? Okay? Remember yung sinasabi ko, part of our trading plan, 'di ba? You have your entry, you have your target price sa taas, tapos you have your cut loss. Okay? So, etong simpleng formula na to should be able to guide you para mabawasan yung emotion. Now, paano natin to ma-apply? Pinakita ko na rin siya rito, di ba? My entry sa dito is 10. This is an example. My entry sa dito is 10. So, ito yon, my entry price. Now, I set the logic, no, that my target price is 20%. So that means if the price reaches 12 pesos, I'll sell. That will give me 20% profit. Okay? Now, nasan yung CL? Ito yon. If the price drops to 9.5, I'll sell. Kasi matitrigger na yung 5% ko na cut loss level. Okay? Now, the important part here is that after kung ano man yung matrigger dito sa dalawa na to, then move on. Okay? Now, if you try to apply this simple logic, no, mami-minimize natin yung emotion. Kasi you already know what to do eh. Ito yung magical part dito. Magic talaga, no? Sorry for the term, pero yeah, ganun talaga eh. Ito yung importanteng part doon. You have an action on you have a reaction on any action na mangyayari sa market. Pag na-reach yung isang specific trigger point, meron kang actionable na pwedeng gawin. Okay? So, ayan. I hope malinaw to, itong part na to. No? If may questions, please let me know. I'll check on the comment section. Okay? Kung may mga specific kayong tanong, then I'll be very happy to answer those. Okay. Now, let me go back. Saan ako nagtapos kanina? Hindi ko na masyado maalala. Ala, layo ko na. Okay. Ito pa rin yung sa QOTD kanina yata. No? Sabi ni Chin kasi, hindi po ako madalas mag-trade pero doon po sa mga dividend stocks na hawak ko, pag bumaba na, kinakausap ko, bahala ka dyan. Sige, bumaba ka pa. Pagdating ng sahod, dadagdagan kita. Okay yan yeah. Oo. For the long term, no? Long term high dividend stocks. I agree with that. Si Brian, need discipline but hard to do, sir. Study pa. Forever student talaga, sir. Yep. No. Wag maging kampante sa market. Yun ang gustong iparating ni Brian. Be a forever student. Yung tipong aral lang, nag-aaral, keeps on improving. Si Kay naman, move on na lang muna kung nagkamali sa isang trade. During trading hours, then pag-aralan yung mistakes pag may time na. Yep. Si Christian naman, first set rules before you buy any stock. Expect na always ito na babagsak. Ready ka to execute or to handle losses. If pumasok ka sa isang stock dahil sa technical, execute your plan according to technicals. If you believe na stock to buy and hold strategy ginawa mo, panindigan mo. One rule ng stock market ay invest what you can lose. Yeah, definitely. All agree ako sa ganyan, no? Let me check. I think malinaw naman yung pagkaka-explain ko dito sa part na to, no? Yung dito sa how to apply na you should be applying logic instead of using your emotion. Oy, wow. Lipat naman sa Facebook. Okay, no problem. Sige lang. Thank you. Okay, si Jeremy. Syempre, sir, excited sa gains. Pag down, research at StockSilog to know when to cut my losses. Okay. Okay lang, no? But again, piece of warning, no? Don't always research, part lang ng research yung ginagawa natin dito, ha? Ikaw pa rin yung pipindot ng buy or sell button. And I'm pretty sure you already know that. Wala naman na yata sigurong question. Sabi ni Arya, what do you think about BTC? MA200 was broken, all altcoins will follow. Yes, nabasag na yung MA200 at 37,000 at 39,000 yata. At least yung last kong check, no. Pero yeah. What do I think about it? Well, nakapag-unload na ako kahapon, pero meron pa rin akong hawak, no? Kasi nga again, I have anticipated na sabi ko lalapit ito sa MA200. So abang na lang ulit ako kung halimbawa mag-bounce man siya doon. Okay? So ayun lang, ganun lang. Again, I always execute kung ano yung mga trading plans. Val, possible ba mag-uptrend si APL this week and next week? Of course, possible. Kailan siya mangyayari? That is something na I don't know. Okay. Sabi ni JP dito, no, sir, parang pansin ko lalo na sa aming mga bago, dapat maliit na halaga lang muna ang laruin sa stock kasi madalas risk management ng isang malaking problem namin. Yes, oo. Dapat maliliit lang. As sabi nga nung, sino ba yung nag-mention nun kanina, na kailangan muna, only trade the amount na you can afford to lose. Diba? And very important yun. Okay, so saan pa ba? Sabi ni Jonathan, hello po, good PM sa lahat. Buti nakahabol, QOTD. Still in the process of learning how to handle it. Okay. Yeah, okay lang yan, no? As long as you understand and recognize na you still have a lot of things to learn, that's a good sign already. So tuloy lang ha, tuloy lang yung ganun. Wag ma-discourage, or okay lang ma-discourage, ganun talaga, no? Pero ibig ko sabihin is always be always look for the positive outcome, 'di ba? Kumbaga, how to improve. Yun lagi dapat ang focus. Tapos, that's why you need to include me. Ganun, yun pala yun. Hindi ko napansin yung part na yun sa masterclass. Well, we'll see, no? We'll see. Kasi, eto, i-mention ko na rin to, sabi ni Marlene kasi, sir, paano maging top fan? Sobrang galing kong mag-handle ang emotion ko kahit malaki na ang gain, hindi nagbenta kasi laki na ng loss, wala pa rin nagawa. Not sure what to do. Ayun lang. Okay. So, dun sa mga nagtatanong, no, as I have mentioned dun sa pinost ko nung Sunday, no, that the masterclass it will start on June 19. Okay, so that means, sakto isang buwan. Okay, so a month from now. Now, to be eligible para doon sa top fan, sa masterclass is kung nasa Facebook ka, you must be a top fan. Okay? So I'll be posting every Saturday yung mga listahan ng mga nag-top fan. Okay? Now, yung mga nag-top fan na yon, sila yung mabibigyan ko ng invitation. Okay? Sila yung mabibigyan ko ng invitation to join the masterclass. Okay. Now, that is on Facebook. How about paano naman yung kay Jonathan? Sabi niya kasi rito, obviously he is on YouTube. Since walang top fan version sa YouTube, then it's totally okay. Okay? Ang gagawin ko na lang sa YouTube is that I'll be selecting some ibang mga subscribers natin o mga listeners na nasa YouTube. Tapos sila yung papadalhan ko, no? Paano ko pipiliin? Secret na muna 'yon. Okay? Pero yeah, kasi I wanted to give equal opportunity dun sa mga nasa Facebook at the same time sa mga nasa YouTube, no? Now, how dun sa mga nasa YouTube, paano magagawa ng paraan para mapasama doon sa mabibigyan ko ng invitation? Well, the first and foremost is, number one, dapat subscriber. Diba? Second is, dapat active. Okay? Pwedeng dito sa chat, live chat natin, or even yung mga nagko-comments. No? And ito lang, tip ko dun sa mga nasa YouTube ha. Mas madali kasing tingnan yung nasa comment box ng YouTube. Okay? So that means, yun nga lang yung comment box kasi, that is only active after the live session. Okay? Kasi magkaiba ang pag-handle ng YouTube sa live chats versus sa video comments, no? And para mas madali ko kayong makita, my suggestion is check or be active doon sa comment section. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng comment section is after nung live. Okay? Now, siguro pwede nyo gawin is, alam nyo, after kung halimbawa magre-review na kayo ng mga pinag-usapan natin, then, ayun, if you have some specific questions, then post nyo lang dun sa comment. No? That will increase the odds na mapipick up ko kayo para doon sa mabibigyan ko ng assignment. Okay? May assignment kasi tayo, no? Kasi again, I wanted to make sure na yung mga makukuha lang natin ay yung mga talagang interesado. Diba? So, ayun, those are the things. Now, sa Facebook, again, hindi po ako may hawak ng top fan badge. Okay? Hindi rin ako nagde-decide nun. Facebook does. Okay? So, paano ka magiging top fan? Well, same thing din, no? You have to be active. So, pwedeng you are liking the contents, or you are leaving comments, or even, and especially, sharing it. Kasi I think malaki yung part na yun sa algorithm ni Facebook. Okay. So I hope that is clear. Now, for those, let me give you an example. Ito yung ating dun sa mga naka-tune in. Siguro just give me 2 minutes, explain ko lang, no? Ito yung ating tawag doon? Table of contents. Topics na mapag-uusapan on the masterclass. Okay? So, hatiyan into 10 topics. Kaya ko ba siyang pagkasyahin dito? Hindi yata Hindi. So, eto muna. 1 to 4. Very basic. Again, kasi yung masterclass natin is basic to advanced. Everything included. Lahat yan. All in. Okay? So, ito yung first chapter. First 4. Okay? And ito naman yung remaining 6. Okay? Para dun sa mga interesado, ito yung mga pag-uusapan on the masterclass. Okay? So, again, good luck sa mga sa mga nagpapabayad ng mga masterclass kuno nila, because to be honest with you, I haven't seen this type of or this level of detail sa isang, let's say, compare lang natin to a typical webinar. I don't think you have seen something similar na ganito ka detailed, no? And at the same time, remember, this masterclass, it is a workshop. Okay? Ibig sabihin, you will be given assignments, you will be given activities, you will be given quizzes even as part of the participants dito sa masterclass. Okay? So, hindi lang siya yung boring na makikinig ka lang. Nope. Kailangan mong may gawin ka, kasi kung hindi, baliwala yung ituturo ko kung hindi mo rin siya pinapractice, di ba? So, ako, that's my mentality. That's why, pasensyahan na lang, pero medyo papahirapan ko muna kayo. Okay? But I can assure you, I'm 100% sure, after the masterclass, you would be a better trader. No? A better one. Not the best one. Okay? Because wala pa akong alam na best. No? Pero at least you will learn something, no, na pwede mong magamit on your day-to-day. Ayan. Okay, so having said that, let me go back to the comment box. Tingnan ko lang ako may mga specific questions. Lowell, wala pa. Hanggang ngayon. Unfortunately, wala pa akong nababalitaan kay AR. Esprit, biglang nawala. Ayun lang. Sorry. Then, bawi. Kaya yan. Mahaba pa naman eh. We still have about 4 weeks. Di ba? 3 to 4 weeks. So, kaya mo mabawi yan. Paano yung palipat-lipat? Minsan YouTube, minsan Facebook. Nawala din yung top fan. Okay lang yun. Again, sabi ko nga, di ba? Kasi yung top fan badge naman is pwede makukuha mo rin ulit siya. Diba? So, ayun lang. Pero kung gusto mo mag-focus on YouTube, then ayun, as I mentioned, comment, post ka sa mga videos, and who knows, 'di ba? Baka ma-pick up kita for the para dun sa mga mabibigyan ng invitation. Hello Ben, good evening. Watching from Taiwan. Laking tulong ng mga topics. Itong mga topic mo ngayon, sir. Okay, you're welcome. I hope you did enjoy it. Tasha, sir, paano kung hindi nag-FB, YouTube lang, umiiwas sa negativity? Okay, yeah. Ayun. I think na-mention ko na siya. Comment lang. Comment and yeah, just be active, no? Dito sa chat or sa live chat, YouTube live chat, or video comments. Yun. Si Ayen, after ng live na lang po ako magko-comment para Oh, by the way, nakalimutan ko lang. May napansin ako dun sa YouTube, sa Facebook, ha. May iba na nagpo-post lang for the sake of posting something. No? Kasi again, yung algorithm kasi ni Facebook is that kung sino yung mga pinaka-active, syempre, sila yung mabibigyan ng top fan badge. Okay? Pero may napansin ako, siguro may 2 or 3 na ang ginagawa lang is either nag-iiwan na, nagko-comment naman sila, no? Pero nag-iiwan lang ng nice or thumbs up or kung ano man. Parang medyo, kasi ganito guys, for me to be para mas maging makabuluhan naman, no? Let's put something na medyo yung nakakatulong din sa iba, no? Leaving a thumbs up or an emoji or something sa comment box is not a good sign. Okay? So, ayun lang. Ingat lang sa mga ganun. Tingin nyo po kaya BTC sir, ngayon trading at 32, hindi ko na gets. So, si BTC is trading at 32 to 33K na. Okay? I'm not sure kung ano yung tanong doon. Anong oras yung masterclass? Ito, once I have all the people na nasa masterclass, lahat ng participants, no, we will be deciding kung anong oras. Okay, kasi pwedeng sabihin ko, trip ko alas 8 ng umaga, kaso tulog pa silang lahat or tulog pa kayo, di ba? So might as well, ipunin natin lahat ng mga nasa participant list, tapos saka natin pag-usapan kung ano yung magiging schedule natin. Okay, so ayan. Sana makasali sa masterclass. Okay. Sure. Alam mo naman ayun, na-mention ko na rin naman kung paano maging eligible. So, ayan. You're welcome. Just wondering, is there somebody messaging the market? Is the last 2 days normal in the course of trading? What is the percentage of independent retailers like us? It seems that we are playing with the big boys. It's not new, Albert. We have been playing with the big boys ever since the stock market has begun. No? We have a lot of instis or mga big capital players sa market, and that's totally fine. Ganun talaga eh. We are in a big pool, di ba? Sama-sama tayo doon. We are just playing the same market. So ganun talaga. It's part of the it's part of the game, ika nga. No? So siguro one of the things na we can do is kumbaga learn how to play with them. No? Not against them, kasi definitely matatalo tayo kapag kinalaban natin yung mga big players, no? Pero we just have to learn, no, how to adapt, be flexible. Okay. So having said that, it's already 9:02, no? So pasensya na, siguro hanggang dito lang muna tayo itong part na to. Now, let me check. So let's move on to our stock request, no? Right now. Pero before that, again, technical check muna tayo, guys, para lang at least sigurado ko na gising pa lahat. Teka, inom lang ako. Okay. So, ayun, technical check muna tayo. Press, ano naman kaya? Teka ha. Ayun. Letter G, capital G, no? Kung parang may iba lang laging numbers eh. Type letter G, capital G, kung halimbawa okay pa rin at gising pa. Okay? So, ayan ha. Para lang maiba, lagi na lang numbers eh, para yun. Maraming salamat. Nice. Thank you. Sige. Okay, so having said that, sige, from now on, you can already comment yung mga stock codes ninyo sa baba. And while you do that, remember, everything that we talk about here are not recommendations, but for research purposes only. Ikaw pa rin yung pipindot ng buy or sell button, so please, think before you click. And syempre, if you find this session helpful, I would like to ask for your support, no, to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also regardless kung nasa naman, no, especially on YouTube and Facebook, if you can share the stream para mas marami tayong matulungan, no, kasi when you subscribe and share the stream, it actually helps me or us here in StockSilog team para mabigay yung mga infos, contents na we do on a regular basis sa inyo for free, di ba? So, ayun lang. If you have time, please subscribe, and please also share yung etong mga gantong klaseng live stream natin. Baka naman kasi hopefully, no, may matulungan pa tayong iba. Hopefully, sana. Yan. Okay. So, having said that, let me go back sa comment section and we will start our session for the stock request. By the way, this is a swing trading setup. I'm a swing trader, so yun yung komportable akong gamitin and yun yung madalas na binibigay ko. Lahat ng mga opinion ko dito is based on swing trading na setups. Okay, so kung halimbawa you are a day trader, then this is not for you. Okay? So, prep lang natin, no? Ayan. Okay, so saan tayo magsisimula? Sabi ni Harry, dito, o yun sakto, si dito. And, pero na-mention ko na rin sa kanina ito, let me try to say it again, no? Dito at the moment ang range ko sa kanya is between 7 pesos hanggang 14.85, no? So yung candle niya kahapon, I would consider it as etong part na yan, I would consider that as a bounce candle, no? Although dahil merong long wick sa baba na malapit doon sa 7 pesos. Okay? While etong mas mahabang candle na nangyari kanina, this is already a confirmation candle. It confirmed na nag-bounce na siya from the support. Okay? However, take note pa rin yung sinabi ko kanina na for long candles such as this one, I have more questions now, no? And that question is, eto bang confirmation candle na to, is this sustainable? And only the market can tell if it does. Okay? So, having said all this, kung halimbawa meron akong hawak na dito, syempre, I'll hold. No? Pero, I'll set my cut loss at around 8 pesos. Okay? Now, kung wala naman akong hawak na dito, saan ako pwede mag-abang, I'll wait. No? Tingnan ko, teka lang ha, before I wait, my question will be, is 985 worth the entry? No, kung halimbawa mag-enter pa lang ako, how would I determine that? By measuring yung 984 sa kanyang target price. No? So, here up to here, ayan. Okay. So, it seems na itong 1482 is a good target price with about 50% upside pa at the 984 level. Okay? So, having said that, then that means kung wala pa akong hawak na dito, then I can consider a bounce anywhere between 7 pesos hanggang 10 pesos. No? Pero syempre, if I do that again, kunwari papasok ako ka 10 pesos and i-apply natin yung minention ko kanina. Kaya ba bang Ayan. So, there should be a cut loss level, no? So, an example here is at 9.5. Kung halimbawa papasok ako 10 pesos, ha? Yan. And then, price could be 14.85. That means around about 40% potential upside. Pag ganon. Okay. Next, MM. Yan. Itong si MM, meron din siyang parang green candle kanina, di ba? And some people are saying na bounce na siya. Pero, it looks like one. Pero for me, this is still premature. No? I would wait for 1 to 2 more candles to confirm na nag-bounce na nga talaga siya. And besides, even if nag-bounce na siya, the next resistance is at 450 So, again, kung titingnan natin yung upside, might not be a good idea at the moment. Kasi, imagine, almost 7% lang yung potential upside. Diba? So, medyo alanganin pa itong si MM. Now, kung halimbawa meron akong hawak na MM, to be honest, yung kanina, this could have been my sell signal. I could have sold kanina. No? Kung meron akong hawak na well, I have, no? Actually, nakapag-cut na ako kay MM 50% ulit nung holdings ko. Kailan nag-cut dito? Sa 438. noong kailan ba to? Basta nung nahulog siya, tinat ko na, no? Pero again, as I mentioned, yung ko kasi, I bought that at a very, very low price. No? Di ba nga, I even bought at at IPO. No? So, ang aking average price is at 219. Nandoon yung average price ko. Kaya, okay lang sa akin to. Okay lang. Wala akong issue dito. Okay? So, ayan na. Now, kung halimbawa wala akong hawak na anong gagawin ko? If I'm still interested with take note that this stock is still on a downtrend movement. Okay? Nasa downtrend pa rin siya, ha? So, ingat, no? Now, what I will do instead is kung talagang interesado ako sa kanya, then I'll wait. No? Hintayin ko tong 450. Pag nag-breakout siya dito, I'll wait for the pullback. Pag nag-hold, doon ako bibili. Okay? So, that's for Next, for Maurice SCC. Oh, quite interesting. Ang dami kong doodle dito. Pasensya na, ha? Yan. Okay. So, for Semerara, nag-close siya kanina at 12.70. So, which is mas mababa doon sa opening niya. Okay. Now, kung gano'n yung situation, remember, di ba, when we talk about support and resistance, we have to identify kung saan siya pwedeng mauntog or mag-rebound. No? Now, given na yung kanyang movement kanina or yung candle na kanina is this one, then what we can consider is, or what our next question is, will 1274 hold or mauuntog na siya dito? Okay? Yung kanina, umabot siya dun sa taas, yun nga lang, na-push pa rin ng mga sellers pababa. No? So, this means, to me, no, this might be gearing for a potential untog. Okay? To check that, then, tomorrow will be crucial for SEC holders. No? Kasi, kapag to nagbigay pa ng candle na lower than 1274, then, I would consider profit taking na. Okay? Now, kung halimbawang wala naman akong hawak na Semerara, then I'll wait. Hintayin ko, no? What if naman, bigla naman siyang mag-breakout dito, di ba? So, kapag ganon, I'll wait for that breakout, wait for it to pull back, and kung yung pullback is still above 1275, then yun yung magiging entry point ko. Okay? Tapos, potential target price is, saan yun? 1360. Yan. Okay, next, ACEN. For ACEN naman, ayun lang. Talaga naglalaro siya dito sa area na to, no? Although, positive naman yung kanina at 102%, 1.02%, then ganito. So, kung halimbawang meron akong hawak na ACEN, at the moment, I'll hold. I'll hold muna, no? Okay? Pero I'll make sure that my cut loss is still in play. Ibig sabihin, yung 675, pag na-break itong 675 pababa, then that will be my cut loss trigger. Okay? Now, kung halimbawang wala naman akong hawak na ACEN, anong gagawin ko? Then I'll wait. No? Hintayin ko tong 7 pesos. I will wait for the breakout at 7 pesos, no? Na mag-breakout siya. Tapos, hintayin ko yung pullback. Doon ako sa pullback papasok. Okay. Next, for Miggy, ACEN, tapos na MBT. Oh, okay. So, ayan. We are talking about pullbacks, di ba? Ito. So, this is a good example, no, for MBT. Kasi, nagkaroon na siyang breakout dito sa part na to. This is a breakout candle. Tapos, this one is a continuation of the breakout. Okay? Eh, di ba ang madalas ko sinasabi, ang ginagawa ko is, on breakout plays, I always wait for the pullback. And yung candle kanina is a perfect example of a pullback. Okay? So, kung halimbawa meron akong hawak na MBT, I'll hold, no? Pero I'll still set my cut loss at magkano to? 44? Saan ba siya? 44.70, no? Yun yung magiging cut loss area ko. While, kung wala naman akong hawak na MBT, yung candle kanina, yung closing niya, that could have been my entry. Okay? And target will be, initial is 49 ha. Pero 51 yung sa top. Okay? So ayun, in the past tatlong pinag-usapan natin ng mga apat pinag-usapan natin, medyo nag-take ako ng time to explain kung yung mga ganito, yung mga breakout, mga pullback, kasi what I wanted to do is to make sure you understand kung paano yung thought process ko, kung bakit ganun yung sinasabi ko. Okay? That way, kahit na wala ako, or kahit na meron kang ibang stock na gusto mong ma-check, you know what to do. Okay? So, yun, kaya I intentionally medyo dinahandahan at medyo pinahaba yung first 4 na stocks para at least mag-gets ninyo where I am coming from. Okay? Now, having said that, it's already 9:16, so medyo bibilisan ko na ng konti. Yan. Next, CLI. Okay. So ito, CLI is quite interesting kasi kung mapansin natin, nag-bounce na siya from here. Diba? Unfortunately, sabi ko nga, wala pang pullback na nangyayari kasi kung titingnan natin, dire-diretso yung pag-angat niya. Although, for some, we can even consider this as a pullback. Although, long wick lang siya. No? So, pag meron akong CLI, I'll hold. Okay? Pero kung halimbawa wala akong CLI, papasok pa lang ako, then I have 2 options. Either I wait na medyo bumaba pa siya rito, wait for the bounce, or I'll wait at 621. Tingnan ko kung mag-breakout siya dito. And again, ang magiging entry ko is the pullback candle. Okay? For Kuya J, APL. Okay, so same thing, no? Itong kay APL. Wala, basag talaga siya. Yun lang. Okay, so for APL, no? After mabasag nung 1995 or 0.2, nagdire-diretso na siya pababa. Okay, so kung meron akong hawak na APL, I look for opportunity to sell. Okay, now ano naman yung looking for opportunity to sell? That means I'll be looking for a green candle, katulad na nangyari kanina. And then, I'll take that opportunity para magbenta. Okay? Bakit ko gagawin yun? Kasi, nakita ko na siya na nauntog na siya dito eh. Diba nga, pag nauntog na yung isang stock doon sa kanyang resistance, then the tendency is for that stock na magtuloy-tuloy pababa until magkaroon ng reversal. Okay? Now, is this already a reversal, itong dalawang to? For me, this is too early to tell. Too early to tell. No? So, kapag ganyan, I would rather risk na mag-take profit kahit partial on this part para lang may makuha na ako. Kasi kung tama ako, no? Then that means at least kahit paano nabawasan na yung potential loss ko. Now, kung halimbawa namang mali ako at reversal na nga pala talaga siya, then may skin on the game pa ako. And I still can play APL. Di ba? So, kumbaga, win-win kahit paano. Although loss, pero I think you know what I mean. Ayan. So, ayan na. I'm just trying to expound on those small concepts na siguro most of you already know, pero for the sake ng mga bago pa lang dito, at least they have an idea. Ayan. For Lester naman, PGOLD. Ito maganda kay PGOLD kasi talagang reversal siya, di ba? Ang ganda. Yung reversal niya dito. Very, very nice. Okay. So, kung halimbawa, no, at the moment kasi ang range ko sa kanya is between 29 hanggang 38.60. Okay? So, kung meron akong hawak na PGOLD, I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss at 34 pesos. Bakit 34 pesos? Dahil dito. Again, I'm just trying to base it on its previous trend, or sorry, on its historical chart, no? Kung saan siya huling nag-reverse, no? So which is etong part na to. Ngayon, kung wala akong hawak na PGOLD, anong gagawin ko? Okay pa bang humabol? Yun yung magiging next na tanong diyan, no? For me, not at the moment, no? Although nakakita tayo ng reversal dito, the trend is still a downtrend eh, no? So siguro I will wait instead. Hintayin ko tong 38 pesos. Pag kaya niyong i-break yung 38 pesos, then for me, that is a good sign na better din yung conviction ng market para dito sa stock. But at the moment, I would just play it along, no? Hayaan ko lang siya dyan. Next, Globe and IMI. Okay. So for Globe, ang range ko is 1755 hanggang 1992. Okay, parang kay APL lang din, no, 1992. But anyways, so ayan, with the Globe naman, nakakita na ako ng reversal, no, mini reversal dito sa end na to at 18,000. 18,000 tuloy. 1,800 ang ibig ko sabihin. Okay? So kung meron akong hawak na Globe, I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss still doon sa 1,800, sorry. Okay? Kung wala naman akong hawak na Globe, then I'll wait. No? Hintayin ko siya, baka bumaba pa. No? And then I'll wait for that bounce. Sa bounce ako pwedeng bumili. Okay, next, IMI. Yun lang, ito rin. So, si IMI nabasag na yung 990 na, which is its major support nung nakaraan. Since nabasag na siya, ito na yun. Nagdire-diretso na yung stock pababa. Okay. Now, kung mapapansin natin dito, itong MA200, it's posing a potential support para dun sa stock. Okay. So, kung halimbawa meron akong IMI, given na malapit na siya doon sa MA200, I'll hold. Okay? Pero I'll set my cut loss at 8 pesos. Pag yung 8 pesos nabasag, then cut loss na ako doon, or at least I'll sell na at that time. Okay? Kung wala naman akong hawak na IMI at papasok pa lang, then again, I'll monitor this MA200. Tingnan ko kung kaya niyang suportahan yung stock. If it does, then that will be my entry. Otherwise, I'll wait for it for the next support. Nasaan yung next support? 7 pesos. After 7 pesos, 5. Okay. Next, BPI tsaka MER. Si BPI, medyo maganda yung naging movement niya, no? Kasi although consolidation siya dito sa part na to, the good thing is itong 77.45 is still holding up. Okay? So, kung meron akong hawak na BPI, I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss at 80 pesos. Kung wala naman ako hawak na BPI, I'll wait, no? Hintayin ko siya dun sa 77, yung bounce, dun ako sasalo. Okay, next, MER. So, kay MER, ang range ko is between 251 or 250 hanggang 315. Given na nasa gitna siya at almost nasa gitna siya at 273, I'll hold. No? I'll set my cut loss at around 265. Kung wala naman akong hawak na MER, then mag-aabang pa ako sa kanya. Hintayin ko siya dun sa 250. Bounce here or breakout pullback here. Okay. Next, DDMPR. Ano nangyari dito sa... Okay. So, at the moment, DDMPR is at 196. Ba't wala akong ano? Lagyan natin siya para mas malinaw. Hala? Yun. Okay. Yan. Silipin ko lang kung pwede siya sa Fibo. Para mas madali. Inconclusive siya for me. So, wag na muna si Fibo. Yan. Okay. So, ito. Now, let's go back, no? For DDMPR, again, uunahin ko lang muna, DDMPR is not good for trading. Okay? Ulitin ko, DDMPR is not good for trading. If you plan to trade DDMPR, then I would suggest just to look for other stocks na lang na mas may magandang potential. Not DDMPR. Okay? Kasi ito ay pang long term. Okay? Now, having said that, kung may hawak akong DDMPR for long term, then katulad ko, may hawak akong DDMPR then naka-hold lang ako. And then, antay na lang ako every quarter ng kanyang dividend. Okay? Now, kung wala pa akong hawak na DDMPR pero gusto kong magkaroon ng long-term portfolio for DDMPR, then I believe na it is in a better position right now because of its pricing. No? At 196, this is a lot better. No? Compared dun sa mga nakabili katulad ko at the IPO price of, magkano to ulit? 225. O diba? Much better yun. Yung situation right now. Okay. Oh my God, it's already 9:04. Pasensya na guys ha, medyo mahaba explanation ko. Ganito na lang. I'll look for other questions, specific questions na lang muna. Okay? Tapos, kung may time pa tayo, then I'll go back dun sa mga charts. Saan na ba ako? Ang haba na pala. Paul, ano yung pinakamatagal mong hinawakan? Stocks or crypto at gano'ng katagal? Okay. Well, stocks, of course. No, yung pinakamatagal kong hinawakan na stock ay na-mention ko na rin naman ito before. Yung nasa long-term portfolio ko na hanggang ngayon ay inaano ko pa MER at saka FGen. Okay, I bought MER and FGen way back 2012. Okay, crypto naman I started, late na ako nag-start sa crypto. So I started nung 2017. Noong ang Bitcoin ay nasa around 6,000 pa lang. $6,000. So doon ako nakapagbodega ng konti. Ayun. Tapos nag-mining din ako. So doon ko naman nakuha yung mga Ethereums ko. So ayun. Still way back noong 2017. So ayun lang. Medyo bago-bago pa lang din. Kumusta ang crypto natin mga boss? Kaya pa ba? Yun lang. No. Sa akin kasi, again, ito yung maganda kapag meron ka kasing long term eh. No? Although syempre masasaktan ka pag nakikita mo na yung chart bumabagsak. Pero kung may long term ka, just like what I have, ano na lang yan, kurot na lang. Kasi kahit naman anong gawin mo, like for example, for me, magkano ang Bitcoin? Magkano ko siya nabili? Or nasa magkanong presyo ko nakapasok? Diba? So, kaya kahit nagtitrade ako ng Bitcoin and Ethereum and other altcoins, okay lang. No? Siguro pwede natin itong idagdag doon sa sinabi natin kanina, yun sa emotion. No? Build your long-term portfolio kasi if you have that and maganda yung standing mo, then there's a good chance kapag nag-trade ka, mas madali mong tawag doon, hindi, mas less kang masasaktan kapag bumabagsak yung tinitrade mo. Kasi you all know at the back of your mind na you have a portfolio na kumikita pa rin. Diba? So, it pays. It pays to have a long-term port. Anong insight ko kay Monde IPO? Nagdadalawang isip kasi ako mag-subscribe. Baka babagsak lang kagaya nung kay DDMPR. Okay. Sige. I'll answer that later on. Pero ito lang muna. I think marami na rin siguro nakakaalam, no? Quick question. Bibili ba ako ng Monde IPO? May nakakaalam ba kung bibili ako o hindi? And bakit? Kung halimbawang bibilin ko siya, bakit? At kung hindi ko siya bibilihin, bakit? I'd like to know kung meron pa rito na naka-catch on nung diniscuss ko yung Monde IPO. Pa-comment Tapos Harry, balikan kita with my answer. Good news pa yung declaration ng cash dividend ni BPI. Well, dividends are good news as always, di ba? Minsan nagkakatalo na lang yan kung gaano kalaki yung dividends. Although hindi ko pa nakikita. Magkano nga ba? BPI. Nilagay ba nila rito? Ex-div on May 28.90. Magkano si BPI? Trading at maliit lang. So, ano lang to? No effect, no, for me. Okay. Next. Asan na ba ako? Ay. Yan. Ay, sorry naman. Naharangan pala. Ito. Ayan. Ito yung kanina, no? Ano pa ba? Rowena, I don't do Pi mining. Wala lang, hindi ko lang trip. And baka kulang lang ako ng information about Pi mining. Pero yeah, hindi ko siya napagtripan. So, I don't know. Ayun, okay. So, thank you. Ayun, Harry. So, again, maraming salamat sa mga nag-respond. Yes. I always buy IPO. Okay. Now, how do I think about Mondinesen? Siguro in a nutshell, let's just say I'm not very happy about number one kung saan niya ilalagay yung pera, no? I mean yung funds. Number two, siguro for me kasi isa lang yung play ni Mondinesen . This is yung corn. Yun lang yung nakita kong magandang part, no? Kasi the other products that Mondinesen have, I think either nagpa-plateau na sila and baka maliit na lang yung upside. Unlike kay corn kasi na international brand ito and kumbaga isa siya sa mga may pangalan, no? So, ayan. Magkakatalo na lang ako So, definitely bibili ako. Now, how I would trade it, yun yung kailangan kong pag-isipan ng gusto, no? Kasi given na I always buy IPOs, ang ginagawa ko na lang sa kanya is tine-trade ko siya, no? Pinag-iisipan ko kung paano ko siya gustong i-trade eventually. Okay? So, ayan. So, yun, mukhang maraming nakakaalam naman pala, no? Na I always buy IPO. Yep. Nag-start ako way back Wilcon days. Wilcon IPO. Pumila pa ako noon kasi at that time wala pa yung ngayon yung ano pangalan nun? Yung LSI ng na PSE Easy, wala pa noon. Pipila ka talaga sa mga sa PSE. So ako kasi I was working in Makati back then nung IPO days ng Wilcon. So pumila ako doon sa Paseo Center. Nandoon pa yung booth ng PSE at that time, no, for the Makati branch. So yun, nakapila ako doon for about 2.5 hours para lang i-file yung aking IPO. Imagine ngayon mas madali na, di ba? How I wish. So ayan, I hope I was able to give you an insight, no, on how I would play yung mga IPO stocks. Yan. Okay. What else? Sige. Now, siguro na tayo, last 5 sa stock requests. Okay, last 5 na lang and then we can call it a day. Unahin ko muna. Teka ha. For Stephanie, GMA 7, no? So, GMA 7, ayan. So, maganda yung movement ni GMA 7, to be honest. Kasi, remember itong gap na to before? This was caused by the announcement nung kanilang dividend. Diba? And then, itong gap naman dito, this is the X date. O, diba? Ang saya. Pero the good thing is, nakabawi na siya, nakabalik na siya dun sa above the, well, almost, no? Malapit na siya dun sa 9 pesos. Okay? Now, what is remaining dito kay GMA 7 is the play para sa election naman for next year. Okay? So, yun naman yung nakikita ko na magiging major catalyst nito. Yun nga lang, remember, matagal pa. No? Next year pa. Pero, who knows? Diba? Okay? So, technical side naman tayo, no? On the technical side, ba yan? Ayan. So, technical side, ang range ko sa kanya at the moment is nasa, ba't ganun? Okay. Between 880 hanggang 10. Medyo maliit na lang yung upside pala, no? Pero yeah, ganun talaga. Okay. So, kung meron akong hawak ng GMA 7, I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss at 880 pa din. Kung wala akong hawak ng GMA, then yung candle sana kanina, this would have been ideal kasi pullback candle siya. Okay. Next. Green. Sige. Up pa si green kanina? Up naman siya, no? Okay. So, for green, ang range ko is between 350 hanggang 490. And kanina at 4 pesos, 399 pala, I mean. Kung meron akong hawak na green, I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss at 370. Cut loss area lang yan, ha. Tapos, kung wala naman akong hawak na green, then I'll wait sa 350. Okay? Either wait sa 350 or wait for the breakout. And then, ang entry ko will be the pullback. Okay. Next is VUL. Vulcan. And after the MOU. So, parang nag-stagnate na siya agad afterwards. But anyways, ang range ko sa kanya is between 2 pesos hanggang 290. Okay? So, at the moment, trading at 217. Kung meron akong hawak na VUL, I'll hold muna. No? Pero I'll set my cut loss at 210. Okay? Now, kung wala naman akong hawak na VUL or na Vulcan, then I'll wait for the pullback. No? Hintay ko siya bumaba pa rito sa 2 pesos. Tapos, on the bounce, doon ako pwedeng bumili. Okay. Next niyan ay sige, itong kay Gon, Meg at saka DMC. So, kay Meg, no, nagkakaroon na rin siya ng reversal. Okay? So, reversal na siya after niyang umabot dun sa 260. So, ngayon, nasa 286 na lang siya. Yun nga lang, again, yung resistance kasi is nandun sa part na yon, 287. No? So, kung halimbawa meron akong hawak na Meg or dun sa mga may hawak ng Meg, please watch out. Monitor kung anong gagawin ni Meg dito sa resistance na 286. or 287 ha. Kasi kapag ito nagkaroon to ng weakness, weak candle, ibig sabihin is a red candle, baka magtuloy-tuloy yung untog niya. Okay? So, prepare for a possible cut loss or take profit dito sa part na to. No? Now, kung wala naman akong hawak na MEG, then I'll wait. Either sa pagbagsak niya dito sa 245 hanggang 250, or kung magbe-breakout siya tomorrow, then I'll wait for the pullback. Tapos, target ko is 320. Okay, next, DMC. For DMC naman, ito maganda, no? Kasi for DMC, kita natin yung higher lows na ginagawa niya. 'Di ba? Nag-higher low na itong si DMC. Which is a good news, no? Kasi as I've mentioned kanina, mas prefer ko yung ganitong movement kesa dun sa nakita natin kay Dito or kay MM yata yun. Or specifically kay Dito, wherein isang after the bounce candle, isang malaking candle na siya agad. No? Although that's good, pero sa akin kasi mas prefer ko yung kumbaga slowly but surely. Ganun yung iniisip kong approach. Di ba? Yan. For DMC, kung may hawak ako, I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss at 235. Okay. 235 tuloy, 535. Kung wala naman akong hawak na DMC, then I'll wait. No, hintayin ko siya, no? Baka magkaroon pa siya ng mas malaki pang pullback. Who knows? Umabot ng 220 hanggang 230. Bounce doon, yun yung pwede kong bilhin. Okay. Last one na lang po muna tayo, ha. Pasensya na. Okay, sige. Itong kay LJ, interesting tong part na to eh. LODE at saka NIKL. Take ko na yung dalawang to. This would be our last ha, by the way. Yan. So, LODE. Yan. Nasabi kong interesting itong si LODE kasi nasa actual support na siya, which is 0.80. Extend ko siya ha. Ayan. Okay. Now, once the stock is already trading at its support, then the next thing to do here is to wait and monitor. Okay? Monitor this one kasi pag nabigyan to siguro 2 to 3 candles after this na above the 0.80, then for me that's a good sign already na nag-hold yung 0.80 sa kanya. Okay? Now, kung halimbawang wala, kung may hawak akong load, syempre, hold lang muna ako. No? Pero I'll be prepared kung halimbawang mag-close ito below 0.80. Dahil that will be my trigger point for the cut loss. Now, kung halimbawang wala akong hawak na load, ayun, as I've mentioned kanina, I'll wait 2 to 3 more candles. No? Ang mahalaga dito is mag-hold yung 0.80 talaga. Yan. Next, NIKL. For NIKL, ang range ko is 490 hanggang 635. Okay? So, it's trading at 536 right now. Kung meron akong hawak na NIKL, I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss at 515. Okay? While kung wala akong hawak na NIKL, I'll wait. Hintayin ko siya na medyo bumaba pa. Between 490 hanggang 5 pesos. Tapos, target ko will be 635. Okay? So, ayun, guys, hanggang dito lang po muna tayo. Once again, I would invite you to try and be active para makakuha ng top fan top fan or be active dito sa YouTube dahil I'll be selecting few people para mabigyan natin ng invitation for the Masterclass. Okay? So, ayun, I hope na may natutunan tayo kahit paano today. If you have more questions, feel free to ask. Madalas naman ako nag-respond sa mga comments eh. Diba? So, ayun, maraming salamat guys for joining. I hope you learned something and enjoy the trading. Bye-bye!